Well, it's been 2 months since I've been processed on my channel, and trust me guys, it's for a good reason, and I'm gonna explain it to you. I have potentially 2 families, my biological family and my educational family. And I don't know, I've talked about this probably in the past videos, the whole community I've been building with Isomo and all the beautiful people here in Isomo.
What in the Josh is going on?
That is a testosterone. It's going on. Every year we get to choose a group of scholars who happens to be outstanding, like us. Okay, that part. Okay, there's a part of selection though, and that part of selection is always, the hardest to choose among most of 3,000 scholars around the country, and get to choose only 82 or even 100. Because sometimes, most of the time, these days it's been 82 or 80 something scholars around there. So it's one of the best things to see all these new faces coming up, really shy at some points, afraid of doing some stuff, afraid of creating some things, even talking to you in English, and how the expressive English is so low. And then get to start developing 2 amazing students, amazing scholars, amazing people at the end of the 2-month experience. This bootcamp has been a little bit challenging because we expected it to end a little bit further, but then the ministry decided to pull back the dates of starting school in the whole country. Yeah, it's always amazing. Even the little talent we have together with those kids and those students, the amount of bond we have together with them is so much interesting, so much powerful. The saddest part of this is that most of the people that we start the camp with, and most of the people who help preparing the camp and the whole process of bringing these students to something big and participating to their lives, end up leaving because college starts, and most of them are really amazing friends, and they're good people that we've been building connections with for years now. And at some point we understand that it's time to switch up. So throughout the bootcamp was really fun. It was made of actually a lot of talents when I think about it. It's crazy to see how much of a relationship we can make into a small little amount of time, as in 2 months, and how much you can get close to people, and literally how much you can find exactly where you belong without even having to force to be there. So one thing that this bootcamp has probably taught me this year is the power of building some kind of bond with the right people, and how that feels, and how that changed your lives entirely. And here's the fun fact. In the bootcamp, I showed some of my people the videos that I used to create 2 months ago with my best friend, and when I saw the smile on their face, I was like, whatever happened, I'm never gonna stop making videos on YouTube. I would have loved that every single kind of person we've passed together in the past 2 months were here to say about everything, because I can't remember everything, of course, but then, yeah, that's what's been going on into, my life as well. We've also had the chance to see my friends who went to school in the last year, and that was such an amazing thing to see. That was such an amazing experience to see them again, how most of them have changed, have grown so much. Some of them are beard. Interestingly, others has simply changed the whole, the experience, the mood, the aura. This video is to tell you what has been going on throughout my life this past 2 months. I know I've been really busy, and if you want to check some of our works that we've probably done throughout these 2 months, I'll probably put the Isomo account down there. Please go check it out. There's so much cool content right there that we have created, and it's much more fun stuff to find there. Expect some content every single week as usual. Maybe it will be a travel, maybe it will be something else like a podcast or something going on in my life, or I've been dedicating my videos for vlogs, travel vlogs, and lifestyle, and expect something like that in probably upcoming months. Thanks for having me. Thank you for having you as well. Let me catch you in the next one. Bye bye.